Makeup done. Hi guys, welcome back to Unicorn Corner. I'm Kez. There's a whole lot of unicorns together. That makes Kez and unicorns. This intro is weird. Anyway, hi. Today's featured unicorn is Ronnie. Look at these eyes.
I'm a unicorn!
So Ronnie is our featured unicorn today. So let's get started. And I probably will be kind of like this a lot of the time because I'm still getting used to this whole, doing makeup on camera thing. So, yay. Makeup done. I look white, but I swear to God, I don't look white. It's the light. Maybe I should turn it down a bit. That's a bit better. I've just done like my whole lid where I'm the blue and green is just the background. I don't know what I'm doing.
Good job.
Wash those hands. Do you like my contour? It's blending time. I think if we can make a little difference, we can each make a difference if we just think about the right things. And while it might sound completely cheesy for me to be like, we should all just, you know, hold hands and sing Kumbaya. No, we really shouldn't do that. We should wash our hands and sing Kumbaya. that's me done. You know, as well as looking out for each other physically, let's look out for each other mentally too, please. And yeah, as I said, everything will be at the bottom. Ronnie has been here the whole time, looking at me weirdly. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to put them down in the comment box below, because I'm kind of doing this for you guys, just for you guys. Okay, as I said, you can leave a comment, you can DM me on Twitter and Instagram, where I am kezandunicorns, exactly the same as on here. Who'd have thunk it? Genius. Yeah, and you know, you might as well, and yeah, you can head over.
I have no idea what I'm doing, but I know I'm doing it really, really well.
You can head over to my Instagram to see more pictures if you're into like fashion and makeup and stuff. Then come and join the journey of this little unicorn right here. And yes, even on Instagram, I identify as a unicorn, except
I'm a unicorn!
Not really. Leave a comment down below. That's awesome. Come join me on Twitter and Instagram. As you're already here, why not hit that subscribe button? If you guys really like this and you want something else, then I will try and get one out for you really, really quick. Really, really quick. Just for you. If you also, you know, are interested in Kawaii, Japanese fashion, makeup, all of that kind of stuff, anime, subscribe! You're already here! Oh, and you know, click that thumbs up button thing. I hear that's important. I don't know. That was Chris very rudely sneezing while I'm closing a video. Wow. Thank you very much for, oh Christ, now I'm falling over. Thank you very much for spending some time with me today. I am your friendly neighborhood unicorn girl, Kez, and I will see you very soon. Arigatou gozaimasu. And keep on unicorning. Wow. Rude.
It's quiet the whole way through.
I know. Rude.
Oh.